Welcome to the Summer 25 Quilt Along, and today I'm going to introduce you to the project. Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, pojagi, and embroidery. So I'm really excited to start the Summer 25 Quilt Along. And this quilt along is going to be hosted all here on YouTube, so you'll be able to get all the information you need to make your own project right along with me. So what I'm talking about today is what the project is. Like, what is the pattern we're going to be working with? What are we going to be making? So this quilt along is based on my pattern, 1 block 4 ways. And so as you can tell from the name, there is one basic block that we're going to be using, and it's done with 4 different layout options. So you can choose to make either just 1 block, you can make 4 blocks, or you can make 20 blocks. And then, of course, if you want to make a different number of blocks and make a different layout that is not included in the pattern, you're welcome to do that too. There are a lot of different things that you can do. So here is what the basic block is going to look like. So it's not a difficult, complicated block, but we're going to have a lot of fun with it. So what do you need for this project? Well, the first thing you need is fabric, and especially if you're a quilter, I'm sure you have fabric on hand that you can use. But there's a lot of different options for types of fabric. You can use quilting cotton, you can use batik, you can use flannel, you can use linen, you can even use some specialty fabrics or upcycled fabrics. So pretty much anything you can use. So I'm going to have another video that's totally dedicated to talking about fabric and exact quantities and the pieces that you are going to need. But for now, when you're thinking about your project, just think about what you want to make and then what kind of fabric would match what you want to make, because there are a lot of different options. And then besides fabric, you're also going to need thread, and just whatever thread you normally use for piecing, that is going to be fine. I am going to have another video that talks about thread, and you can think about what color you need and things like that. But just any thread you have on hand is going to work for this project. Then you're going to need a working sewing machine. You don't need any special attachments or anything, just your regular sewing machine with your regular foot. That's going to be fine. And just your general quilting supplies. You'll need a cutting mat, a rotary cutter, a ruler, just any long straight ruler is going to do. You might want a couple of pins. So if you like pins, or if you do glue basting, you might potentially want that. But you're just going to be using your general quilting supplies. There is nothing fancy that you need to go out and buy. So in this project, there are a lot of different options, different things that you can do, but I'm going to be talking through all the options and giving you samples of things that you can do. So if you have any questions about this project, this pattern, then you can leave the questions below and I will answer them as quickly as I am able to. So there's no requirement to purchase the 1 block 4 ways pattern, but if you don't want to wait for the next videos, you want to just jump into the project right away, or if you want something printable you can follow along, or if you just want to support my channel and support the quilt along, then you can purchase this pattern. This link is below, so you can look for it there, or you can find it at my website, epidastudio.com.